Come back with me, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, this time I want to talk about insurance. Indemnification of insurance. To indemnify means to make whole again or to be reinstated to the position that one was in to the extent possible prior to the happening of a specific event or peril. Accordingly, life insurance is generally not considered to be indemnity insurance but rather contingent insurance. There are generally three types of insurance contracts that seek to indemnify and insure: a reimbursement policy to apply on behalf or be on behalf of police. Next, an indemnification policy. From an insured standpoint, the insurer is usually the same. The insurer pays the loss and claims expense. If the insurer has a reimbursement policy, the insurer can be required to pay for a loss and then be reimbursed by the insurance carrier for the loss and out-of-pocket costs included with the permission of the insured claim expense. Under a pay on behalf of the insurance carrier will defend and pay a claim on behalf of the insured will not be out of pocket for anything. Most modern liability insurance is written on the basis of pay on behalf language, which enables the insurance carrier to manage and control the claims. Under an indemnification policy, the insurance carrier can generally either reimburse or pay on behalf of whichever is more beneficial to it and the insured in the claim handling process. An entity seeking to transfer is an individual, corporation, or association of many types becomes the insured party owns risk is assumed by an insured. The insuring party by means of a contract called an insurance policy. Generally, an insurance contract includes a minimum the following element: identification of participating parties, the insured, the insurance, the beneficiaries, the premium, the period of coverage, the particular loss even covered, the amount of coverage, and exclusion. And the insured is said to be indemnified against the loss covered in the policy. When insured parties experience as a loss for a specific perils, the coverage entities the policyholder to make a claim against the insured for the covered amount of loss as specified by the policy, the fee paid by the insured to the insured of. For assuming the risk is called the premium. Insurance premium for money insurance are used to for an account reserved for later payment of claims. In theory, for a relatively few claims and for overhead costs, so long as insurer maintains adequate funds set for anticipated loss, card reserve, the remaining margin is uninsured profit. Next, exclusion. Policy typically include a number of exclusions. For example, one nuclear exclusion clause is excluding damage caused by nuclear and radiation accident, where exclusion clause excluding damage from acts of war or terrorists. User might prohibit certain activities which are considered dangerous and therefore exclude from damage coverage. One system for classifying activities according to whether they are as authorized by insurer to green light approve activities and even yellow light activity and even which require insure consultation and all waivers of liability and the red light activities and even which are prohibited and outside the scope of insurance cover. Insurance can have various effects on society throughout the way that it can reverse the cost of loss and damage. On one hand, it can increase fraud. On the other, it can help society and individuals prepare for catastrophes and mitigate the effect of catastrophes on both households and societies. Insurance can influence the probability of loss through moral hazard, insurance fraud, and preventive steps by the insurance company. Insurance funds have typically used moral hazard to refer to the interest loss due to unintentional carelessness, and insurance fraud to refer to interest risk due to international carelessness or indifference. Okay guys, this is first discussion about insurance. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And see you next time.